It's Matt Moran here. I'm actually a member of the International Culinary panel for Singapore Airlines. We're in my beautiful restaurant Ari down at Circular Quay in Sydney. Now, it's been a really rough year for everybody. Christmas is here and I love Christmas. In fact, I love cooking on Christmas Day. It's one of those really special times that you get to spend with all your family and friends. Now, some tips. Always fresh seafood. Start with prawns, smoked salmon, and of course oysters. I like the classic style lunches where I'm always roasting. So I do a roast turkey and a roast ham. I take the skin off the ham and I place that over the turkey, especially on the breast, because the breast will cook a little bit quicker than what the legs do. So it'll keep it nice and moist. I also do a goose and always have duck fat potatoes. So it's just basically roasting potatoes with a little bit of duck fat, and it gives a beautiful flavour, and a heap of salads. I love a Christmas pudding. Make sure you do a beautiful fresh custard, a little bit of brandy, not too much because we know how much the kids love it, and of course some ice cream. Now guys, hopefully we will see you next year, either in Sydney, Australia, Singapore, or even on a Singapore airline plane. Guys, have a great festive time and spend it with your loved ones.